Hello? Are you pooping? Hello? I know you're pooping. It smells good. Bye-bye now.
Can you go underneath and unlock it for me?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Sometimes it's creepy late.
Alright, yeah, if you just wanna... I even tried to...